At 808 Wall Art, we offer decals in dozens of shapes and sizes, but today we're going to walk you through a unique service we offer, which is custom text. Your words in dozens of different fonts, colors, and sizes. Speaking of size, our letters range from 9 inches to 4 feet tall. Important to note that the size options are based on capital letters and vary based on the character. Custom text is perfect for company slogans, school signage, unique wedding graphics, and so much more. If you have something important to say, do it with vinyl lettering. Today we're going to apply a collage of lettering in various fonts we offer to give you an idea of the process. Step 1. Start by removing the artwork from the shipping tube and laying it out on a clean, flat surface. Decals tend to naturally curl from being in the tube. Allow about an hour for your decal to flatten out. Drag the squeegee over the front side of the text, ensuring that the decal has a firm bond with the transfer material. This will also help to flatten the graphics for an easier installation. When ordering your custom text, you can enter multiple lines of text. Breaking your text into separate lines means we will do the same. Each line will be its own decal. Then you can position them on the wall however you like. We recommend that you use a lint-free rag to wipe off the area. If there is any additional dirt buildup or gunk on the surface, we suggest a 50-50 rubbing alcohol and water solution to wipe the area clean. Ensure that the surface is completely dry before install. These types of graphics are typically not touching any corners or borders. They are usually centered between 2 points or framed to a piece of furniture. Find your 2 points, measure and determine your center. You can use a piece of tape to mark this point. For your convenience, we provide vertical and horizontal lines to match up with your markers. Place your decal on the wall with a couple of pieces of masking tape. Take a few steps back to visualize the final product, then make any minor adjustments if necessary. Once you're happy with the position, place a long piece of tape over the vertical line and onto the surface 3 to 4 inches. This will act as your center hinge. Remove any tape holding the left side. Fold this portion over to the right and begin slowly peeling off the backing. Do not remove the front material. Be sure to curl back, don't pull out. If any of the decal sticks to the backing, simply roll it back into place. Press firmly, sandwiching the layers back together. And try rolling back again at a harder angle. Once you've almost reached the center hinge, cut away and remove the backing material with scissors or a sharp razor blade. If you are installing a larger decal, ask for help with this step. Now you are ready to start applying the decal to the wall. Hold the decal away from the surface at about a 45-degree angle. Use the felt tip side of the squeegee provided to begin applying from the center out. Allow a little slack in the decal while keeping it as centered as possible. Work your way in with long, slow strokes. If you feel a small wrinkle or bubble under the surface, do not lift the decal off the wall. Continue attaching. You can make small corrections later. Once the left side is complete, remove the center hinge and any other tape. Fold over the right side until you reach the attached decal in the center. Then slowly peel the backing away about 8 inches. Use your squeegee and continue applying your decal. Continue until all the backing is removed. Once you've completed, go back over the entire surface with the squeegee or cloth, pressing from the center out, up and down, ensuring that it's firmly attached to the surface. If there are any creases, do not press on these areas. This could damage the decal. You can make adjustments once the front material is removed. Starting from either side, slowly peel off the front material by dragging it back against the surface. Be sure the entire decal releases from the material and stays bonded to the surface. Once removed, inspect for any small bubbles or creases. You can delicately lift and reposition any portion if necessary. If you're having trouble pushing out a bubble, use your razor or pin to make a very small incision, allowing the air to escape. Then press down on the area to flatten. If you have difficult wrinkles, you can use a blow dryer or heat gun, softening the material, making it easier to adjust. Repeat this process for any additional lines of text. You can space it out and align it however you please. We also suggest pairing your text with one of our many decals. You can go even farther by layering your text on top of a mural. The options are endless. If you have any further questions, reach out to us through our contact page at 808wallart.com. To find more tips and tricks on installing, care, and removal of your art, continue through the 808 University Library. Be sure to subscribe for special deals and updates on new artists joining the community weekly.